Start over. Come on, get in, right now.
Regresa. Regresa. Hold. Double. Verde. Chapo. Kevin, relax. Kevin, hold. Drop.
Hey, Kevin in and get Jimmy back. Right now, go.
Guys, come on.
You can turn still. Hey, D. Hey, that's a good shot. Hey.
Llévatelo, güey, llévatelo. ¡Ya, Chapo!
Hey, somebody's got to make a tackle.
Hey, step to it! What are you doing? What's up, Bryce?
Nobody here.
Go on, Devin, go on!
Come on, Marcus, go. Hey, time.
Tristan.
Come on, boys! Pressure! Now.
Back. Hey, Geronimo, get in! On the goalie! Geronimo! On the key! Hey! Are you fucking kidding?
He kicked him in the face, man.
Alright, put his foot up, man.
Tristan, play it.
Come on!
Get a shot. Come on, Tomas. Hurry up.
Hey, switch it up.
Go, Tomas.
Good ball! Oh!
Hunter, get there.
17
Danny, find somebody.
Danny, stay with him, Danny!
Why are you giving him goal sign?
Take it, little finger! 19.
6 assists.
3-2 Blizzard. 3-2 Blizzard.
You got a guy that's heavy on your back. Stop! If you're under pressure, can't.
Come on, Zeke.
Get in, get it.
Edgar, acomoda, Edgar. Regresa, Edgar.
Go from the back post.
Sí, Edgar. Sí, Edgar.
Ja. Put him under.
Edgar, sígalo. Chávez, Chávez. He kicked him. He kicked him.
The retaliation foul. All about the retaliation foul.
From behind. Graham, don't need to make up goals.
Regresa, Chávez. Sí. Hey.
Toronto, find him. Double Toronto, double.
Sígalo, Edgar. First away.
Stop playing.
Back door.
Play a simple ball.
Just one.
Play a simple ball. Go backward.
Step.
Who's on him?
Let's go.
How about Joe?
Easy, Tristan, easy. Get there.
Go pick it up.
Come on,
I think some of you guys How about trying to beat the player? Call the foul. Right here, right? Stop! Right here.
No, it's a white ball.
I need his number. I don't know his number. I don't even know his number.
Because I said so. Now shut it.
11. Well, I need him right here at the end of the wall. I need him right here at the end of this wall. At the wall, right here on this wall.
2 minutes holding.
Hey, how many fouls do we have, guys?
We have 6.
6.
4. Right there is good.
Okay,
Hey, you can stay. You can be right on the inside the wall. You can be on the bench, but I want you against the wall. Go in.
Atrás, David!
Oh, come on, boys. Come on. Calm down, Marcus. Calm down. Just breathe, Marcus. Just breathe.
Hey, it's their ball.
What did you say, Mitchell?
It's Blue's fault.
Yeah, fucking punk ass bitch.
Double.
Sorry.
Head on! Yes, he is.
Every time.
Who touched him, Grant? It's falling before they even got there. Come on, man.
Rick, I'm in 7.
It's 7.
7.
Just hit it. Just hit it.
Thank you.
What is it for them, Rick?
4.
We have 7. We have 5. Them, they have 5.
5, 7.
Hey, Alan, be ready, Alan. 3 seconds. Thomas, drop back.
Frank, you gotta go the upper man.
Now come on, Thomas.
Go.
Yeah. 20 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Got
Hit the horn for what? We don't hit the horn.
That's off blue. It's off blue. Jesse. It's off blue.
No, Jesse, then me and out. Play. 1, 2.
Hey guys, close it subject. Nice, Jesse.
End there. You shit right We gotta get it sorted out. Everything is so fucking crazy. Come on, guys, come on! Come on, David! Hey, Ben, yeah!
We got 7 fouls. Get ready.
Vete! Run back! One for
Turn,
Turn!
He got the ball. Nice shot, nice shot.
What is it?
That's another handball outside the box. That's 3 of them by my count. That's 3.
He's not calling a foul. He's trying to stop the clock. No foul.
Double. Get control again, Graham. Get control.
How is that not?
6-7. 6-7.
Hey, John. We have 6. Yeah.
Pancho!
7-7, Tyson.
Here's the goal, B.
Hard play defense. Hard play defense.
It's a foul.
5 handballs. Okay, 6 fouls, 2 minutes late.
8 fouls.
8 fouls.
No shot. Rice, Jimmy, no shot. Get above, Rocky. 10 seconds.
Good.
That was a hit.
Foul was obstruction. 8 fouls.
He can't